Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets A to Z. Kids colors name: yellow color, black color, red color, blue color, green color, white color. Kids now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat, C for cat, C for car. Kids again use yellow color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll, E for egg, E for elephant. Kids now draw F. F for fish, F for fan, and use black color. G for God, G for glass. Kids again use black color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter, I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids again use black color and draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, K for kite, K for king. Kids now draw L. L for lion, L for lemon, and use red color. Kids again use red color and draw M. M for moon, M for mango, N for nose, N for nest. Kids again use red color and draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. Kids now draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin, and use blue color. Q for queen, Q for quill, R for rose, R for rice, S for sun, S for snake. Kids again use blue color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids now draw U. U for umbrella, U for uncle, and use green color. V for van, V for vanilla, W for wallet, W for watch. Kids again use green color and draw X. X for X-ray, X for telephone, Y for yak, Y for yaya, Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.